Okay, here's the walls. Looking pretty good. You can only see the waves in the original drywall where it was installed. No more dirt marks. No more hole marks. The whole front room and main floor is perfect. Nothing. Solid good. Real clean. It's clean and painted and all the holes filled in. Paint's probably still a little bit wet. That's where the couple shiny marks are. But I blended it real good. All here, all clean. There's some dirt right there. Right there, there's. Get that tomorrow. Actually, that one too. I'll paint that right now real fast. That same mark that was right here, that's here, is exactly the same how these came out when I cleaned all these up. Some of them were already painted over. Right there, hard to tell. See this light? There we are. Yeah, that's, I can see it. It's clean. A little bit of something there. It's just a dent in the wall, plus some waves of the 2x4s, I guess, underneath it. See that? Of course, it'll have a different look tomorrow with the sunlight. Yeah. Sunlight will be better. These LED lights bring out a whole lot of imperfections. I didn't do that yet. See the pencil marks still there? Do those tomorrow or the next day. So, and that's a mark I can't reach. See that one? But those marks, that mark like that was how these were down here. So, there's that. Signing off.